At ProTrainings and First Aid Online, we have a full range of different types of simulation limbs. So this particular one here is a leg, but we do legs, we do arms, we do full body mannequins as well with different injuries on them. On the website, firstaidonline.co.uk, you'll see a range of some of the products, but also we can do bespoke stuff. So if you want more different injuries on a particular leg, we can do that for you as well. This particular one here has got different injuries. We have a open fracture, a packable wound here, which is a larger one, something here like a chainsaw cut. And then this is a different type of amputation, bit more gruesome, and we do straightforward cuts as well if you wanted them. So depending on what you're actually after, we can do this. So you know, the more injuries you have on them, the more expensive they are. But if you're using it in a training point of view, this is just ideal because you can look at one of these individual wounds, or you can lay this down by a casualty, and you can just simulate that that's their actual injury. As well as a range of human ones, we also do a range of pet injuries as well. We do standard ones, is a brown dog or a husky dog, and we've also got some other specialist ones if you want different things for different markets. So with these, have a look on the website, see what you're interested in, or if you want anything special, then contact us direct on supplies@protrainings.uk or visit the website on firstaidonline.co.uk.